Your bathroom, one of the most personal spaces in your home. It's more than just a place to refresh. It's a sanctuary, a retreat, and sometimes the start to your day. How can you make it a space you'll love? It's all in the details. In this video, we're taking a closer look at the essential fixtures and features that can transform your bathroom to a whole new level. So, why are bathroom fixtures such a big deal? Here in Montgomery County, where homes are a real investment, a well-designed bathroom goes beyond mere functionality. It's a valuable asset. Let's break it down. When it comes to picking bathroom fixtures, there are a few things you'll want to think about. First off, functionality. Think about your daily routine. Do you deal with the chaos of morning rush hour at the sink? Maybe double sinks are what you need to keep the peace. Or, if you love to unwind after a long day, a deep soaking tub might be your perfect escape. Now, let's talk about style. Montgomery County is filled with a mix of beautiful homes, from classic traditional styles to sleek modern designs. Whatever your home's vibe is, your bathroom fixtures should match it. The right fixtures can tie everything together and make the whole room feel cohesive and fresh. Now you're thinking, but what about my budget? It's tempting to go for the cheaper options, but here's a pro tip. Going for quality now can save you money in the long run. Cheap fixtures might look good at first, but they wear out faster, and before you know it, you're spending more on repairs or replacements. Investing in something durable means fewer headaches down the road. Plus, they just perform better. Speaking of durable, let's talk about maintenance. Go for materials like porcelain, ceramic, or stainless steel. They're low maintenance and built to last. So, what's trending in Montgomery County bathrooms these days? A lot of homeowners are loving the blend of traditional and modern styles. It's all about finding that perfect balance. Right now, natural materials are stealing the spotlight. Think stone countertops and wood vanities, adding warmth and character to any bathroom. Accessibility is becoming more and more of a priority. With an aging population in Montgomery County, things like walk-in showers and comfort height toilets are in high demand. Not only are they practical, but they make the space more comfortable for everyone, no matter your age or mobility. And let's not forget about being eco-friendly. Opting for water-saving fixtures like low-flow shower heads and dual-flush toilets is a smart move that's hard to pass up these days. They're good for the environment and they can save you a nice chunk of change on your water bills. It's a win-win situation. Now, if you're looking to add a little something extra to your bathroom, here's where you can get creative. Matte black finishes are incredibly stylish at the moment. And if there's room, consider a freestanding tub. It's like bringing the luxury of a spa right into your home. Want to make things even more interesting? Try mixing metal finishes. A touch of chrome here, a splash of gold there, and the room comes alive with personality. Before we wrap up, here's one last piece of advice. Work with local professionals. They know all the ins and outs of Montgomery County's building codes. Plus, you'll avoid a lot of unnecessary stress and ensure everything's done right the first time. So, there you have it. A little guide to picking out the perfect bathroom fixtures for your home. Remember, it's the small details that make a big difference in creating a beautiful and practical bathroom. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We've got plenty more home improvement tips coming your way. Until next time, keep turning your house into the home of your dreams, one project at a time.